Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you're not familiar with ThreadBeast, it is a monthly subscription for clothing. So this is, I believe, my 7th referral, even though I've probably referred over 20 people to this program. I've actually referred over 30, but about half of those weren't legit. Like, they didn't click on the link and then use the code that the link brings you to and then use the link on that site. They like make it very complex and basically make it very difficult for me to get this. That said, they send an email that basically says that, hey, you're getting a free referral, it's been successful, or it says that it wasn't successful at all. What's really messed up about that is the fact that even though they tell you, hey, it's been successful, it's not the case. They'll come up with some lie or some scam or some BS saying it's not legit. However, I am still getting some. Obviously, this is like my 7th one, but like, check it out. What does it say? What? I can't see what that is. There you go. I like the color of that. These look comfortable. These are definitely different. I don't know if I'll probably wear these around the house, but they're Jackson. And it's got like a pocket. Is this like an 80s grunge type thing going on here? I don't know. And then I absolutely do love socks, so I don't mind these at all. And these are richer, poorer socks. So that's my free referral box. That's supposedly a $50 value. So I guess they're valuing each of these at about 20 bucks and these at 10. I don't know. I mean, you tell me, do you think that the referrals are worth it? And I know I kind of ticked them off. I've actually talked to a lawyer. I've been debating about suing them because it's just a complete scam. They send you stuff saying that it's gonna basically they send you an email saying that, hey, you know, you have a successful referral, and it's not. So how it works, you get one email and when someone signs up, cool, and then it says it can take up to 45 days for them to validate if it's legit or not. If it's legit, you get, you know, a referral box. 45 days goes by and you either get one that, oh, they didn't use the code or they didn't do something correctly, it wasn't accepted. Or you get one that says, hey, congratulations, you're getting a reward, which is the referral box, right? Wrong. So you could have a couple weeks go by, nothing comes. A month goes by, still nothing comes. A couple months go by, still nothing comes. But it said you're getting a reward. Oh, but then you send them an email and complain about it and be like, well, where's my reward? They're like, oh, no, the validation period, we basically, you have to ignore that whole 45-day thing, that if they find out after that it wasn't valid, basically it wasn't used correctly, oh, and we're not going to tell you what email address, we're not going to give you any type of proof whatsoever that it was valid. By the way, I had a friend, while I was with him, sign up. We video recorded it. I might post that. I'm waiting on the lawyer to decide if I want to do it that route or just use it as evidence in court. But basically, we recorded him using his email address and went through the exact process to get one. I got a valid email, yeah, a couple days ago. This isn't the box. And then 45 days went by, hopefully soon, and I bet I don't get a box. We'll see. But again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and check out my other videos. But I'm tired of ThreadBeast, I really am. But I don't mind the free boxes. It gives me stuff to send to either I'll wear or send to the Philippines as care packages. But thanks for watching, and take care.